Ready to start teaching with GoStudy? Here's how you can sign up and get your profile approved in just a few easy steps. Step 1. Go to GoStudy.ae and click on Login at the top right corner.
Next, click Register Now, choose Teacher as your role, and fill in your basic details: your name, email, password, and phone number. Once you're done, hit Register to create your account. Now it's time to complete your profile. You'll see 6 sections to fill out: personal details, educational details, teaching profile, video introduction, availability, and payment details.
In personal details, upload a clear photo, enter your basic info, and confirm your contact number. In educational details, add your qualifications and degrees. Next, under teaching profile, add the subjects you can teach best. Describe your experience and teaching style. For the video introduction, record a short clip where you introduce yourself and share your teaching approach. In availability, select the time slots and days you're free for lessons.
And finally, under payment details, add your salary expectations, currency, and bank information so you can receive your payments securely.
Once all sections are completed, your profile will be sent to the GoStudy team for review. After it's approved, you're all set. Students can start booking sessions with you right away.
And here's the best part: once approved, you can host and teach lessons directly through GoStudy's online classroom. No need for Google Meet or Zoom. Everything happens right on our platform. You can connect with students face-to-face, share notes, track progress, and get paid securely, all in one place. Teach, manage, and grow, all within GoStudy.
Sign up today at GoStudy.ae and start making a difference through teaching.